If you are planning of migrating your blog post from one Blogger site to another Blogger site, then this video is for you. I request you to please subscribe to my channel if my video tutorial is helpful to you. So let's get with the video process. In this video, I will migrate this all about search engine optimization Blogger site into this track content Blogger site. First step is to backup and download this search engine optimization blog site. Once we log into our Google blog site, first, we need to select the blog site, if we have more than one blog site set up in Google Blogger account. Next, we need to select the Settings tab on the left side of the dashboard. Next, we need to scroll down to the Manage Blog section on the right side of the Settings page. Here, we need to click Backup Content option and download a copy of the Blogger site on our computer. Second step is to import and restore the backed up Blogger site into Track Content Blogger site, the other blog site. Here in the Track Content blog site dashboard, we need to click the Settings tab. Next, we need to scroll down to Manage Blog section. Again, we can click Import Content and import the backed up blog site from the computer. We can preview the Blogger site to confirm all the posts, comments, and pages are imported as intended. You can see all the content are imported into the Google Blogger site. With this we are done with the video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful.